All right, welcome back. We're on vacation in Florida. Our neighbor's not here right now, but she thinks her air conditioner's out. That's not good in Florida. We're gonna do the right thing and check out how her unit's doing. Well, currently it's 90 degrees inside. 90 degrees inside is not good. And looking at the situation, yep, it's not making cold air. Now, luckily, because of hurricanes and stuff, we have a little window air conditioner we keep in our unit. So I'm going to bring it and install it in her unit, just so she has a little bit of cool air in here to keep the temperature below 90. All right, so what I've done is open this window up a little bit. I threw this little window unit in here, and I have a piece of wood to go in. I still need to put some tape or something along these edges to help seal it. With any luck, this will bring the temperature down to something reasonable like 89. And look at that, it's already coming down. So we're just down here in Florida helping out our neighbors. You guys get outside, do something fun. Come back and tell me about it.